If you're wondering about the top 5 paint roller kits, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking for a comprehensive painting set that has everything you need? Look no further than the Bates Paint Roller Set. This 11-piece set includes a tray, roller frames in 2 different sizes, 9 and 4, roller covers, an angel paint brush, and a high-density foam brush. With this set, you'll have all the tools necessary to tackle any painting project. What sets this set apart is its professional quality. Made to be long-lasting and easy to clean, these painting tools are designed to deliver superior results quickly. The paint brush features thick synthetic filaments that hold more paint, allowing you to save time and achieve the perfect finish. The nap of the paint rollers is half an inch thick, making them ideal for painting walls. Both the filaments and naps are durable and built to last. Not only is this set high quality, but it's also affordable. You won't be throwing away your money on paint trays that won't last. The value you get from the Bates Paint Roller Set is unbeatable. Whether you're a professional painter or a beginner, this set is suitable for anyone. Its versatility makes it great for all users. Get your hands on the Bates Paint Roller Set and experience painting with ease and perfectionism without breaking the bank. One essential tool for your home or office wall painting projects is the Nichio Corner Paint Roller Kit. This kit includes a corner roller frame and 2 corner roller covers, providing you with everything you need to tackle those hard-to-reach corners. The V-shaped hub design makes it easy to direct mud into corners quickly and efficiently, ensuring a professional-looking finish. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, this corner paint rolling kit is designed to be user-friendly for all skill levels. Its easy application into corners, soffits, eaves, and other tight spaces allows for seamless paint coverage. The kit also includes 1 corner paint roller cover for exterior corners and 1 for interior corners, ensuring precise application on any surface. Get ready to achieve flawless results with the Nichio Corner Paint Roller Kit. If you're in need of a professional-grade foam paint roller set, look no further than Luigi's small foam paint rollers. This set includes everything you need to achieve a quality finish. With 10 synthetic foam covers and a steel handle, you can expect smooth rolling and excellent coverage. The lint-free design ensures no shredding of fibers, giving you a seamless painting experience. Luigi's has been a trusted brand in the trade for 36 years and offers a solid 2-year extended money-back guarantee. These foam rollers are perfect for applying gloss paint and satin paint on smooth surfaces. Don't just take our word for it, check out the stunning results achieved with this kit in the provided Amazon images. Upgrade your painting game with Luigi's small foam paint rollers. Looking for a versatile and high-quality paint roller kit? Look no further than the Pilot Fish Mini Paint Roller Kit. This kit includes 14 pieces, including roller covers, frames, brushes, and more. The roller covers are made of mohair and imported polyester sponge, ensuring high resilience and good paint absorption. With 2 different sizes, 2 and 4, these covers are perfect for DIY decorative crafts and door frames. For better results, we recommend using water oil paint on smooth interior walls. But that's not all. This kit also includes a 0.7-inch wide roll of textured paper with excellent adhesion and coverage. It can be quickly removed, protecting surfaces from excessive paint. The 2-inch and 1-inch brushes are perfect for painting uneven surfaces, corners, and gaps. The highlight of this kit is the paint wand with gear. Not only does it evenly apply paint on different materials to enhance beauty, but its unique gear also helps clean excess paint from the roller covers. This makes your decoration work convenient and clean. With an economical set including 6 roller covers, 2 mohair 4 microfibers, in 2 different widths, 2 roller frames, 4 inches and 2 inches, 2 paint brushes, 2 inches and 1 inch, a paint tray, 12.2 by 6.41 by 2.1 inches, a tray, a paint wand, and a roll of textured paper. You'll have everything you need for your painting projects. This kit is versatile and suitable for various uses such as interior and exterior painting, cabinets, door frames, walls, fences, and even handicrafts. If you encounter any problems, our dedicated customer support team is just an email away. We're here to assist you and resolve any issues promptly. Thank you for choosing Pilot Fish Mini Paint Roller Kit for your painting needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive paint roller kit that covers all your painting needs, then the Rolling Dog Paint Roller Kit is the perfect choice. This kit includes everything you need to achieve a professional finish on your walls. With a 9-inch roller frame and 2 covers, as well as a 4-inch mini roller frame with 4 covers, you'll have the right tools for any painting task. The included stainless steel paint roller extension pole extends your reach up to 3 feet, allowing you to easily paint those high and hard-to-reach areas. The durable shedless roller covers are made of lint-free polyester, ensuring a smooth application of paint on semi-smooth to semi-rough surfaces. The plastic tray in this kit is not only easy to clean but also has a large paint reservoir and textured loading grid, making it convenient and efficient to use. Whether you need to paint along edges or outlets, the 4-inch mini rollers are perfect for precise application, while the 9-inch wall paint roller ensures full wall coverage with a smooth finish. With the Rolling Dog Paint Roller Kit, you'll have all the tools necessary to achieve professional-looking results. Start your painting project off right with this high-quality and durable kit. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 paint roller kits. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.